So hello friends, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will talk about latest interview questions of the Wipro Wilp, and I will also share an ebook in which I have compiled multiple interview experiences of the recent Wipro Wilp interview questions, and also I will share a proven strategy to clear the Wipro Wilp interview, and also will do complete analysis of the mostly asked topics in the Wipro Wilp interviews. So before starting the video, I want to tell you I am very close to 1000 subscribers, and if you do subscribe to my YouTube channel, then I will achieve this goal early. So do subscribe my YouTube channel, and without wasting any time, let's get started. Here in the screen you can see that this is the Wipro Wilp latest interview questions. This Wipro Wilp interview was scheduled on the 27th of May, and here you can see the screenshot of the interview schedule mail, and these are the questions. So the first question for him is self introduction. The second question is related to the OOPS concepts. So what is OOPS, and what is inheritance, what is encapsulation, what is polymorphism, what is abstraction. So these are the important pillars of the OOPS. The next, then they move to DBMS. So in DBMS, the interviewer asks the questions: what is normalization, primary key versus foreign key, what is trigger, what is views, and these are the DBMS related questions they were asked from the candidate. Next, then they will move to the HR questions. So the 12th question is HR question: where do you see yourself in next 5 years? And this question is the most asked question in the Wipro Wilp interviews. And also the next question is related to the HR question: what is your weakness and what are you doing to improve that? These are the most important and most asked questions for the Wipro Wilp HR questions. I have already made a video in which I have provided sample questions for these questions. If you want to watch this video, I have provided the link in the description. Simply click on the link, you will able to see that video. And the next and last question for him was: any questions for me? This is the complete Wipro Wilp interview that was held on the 27th of May. So this is a basic interview, and everyone will clear this interview if he know about the OOPS concepts and DBMS and some HR questions. And now I will move to the next interview questions. So this is the next interview experience that was held on the 28th May. Here you can see that the first question is always self introduction. The next question will be technical subjects. Then next question will be version of Java. What is Java? And what are the OOPS? Again, OOPS is more important. What is encapsulation, what is polymorphism, the real world implementation of the OOPS concepts, and what are classes, what are objects, and how to create subclasses, how to create objects. These all are the questions related to the OOPS concept, so you can think how OOPS concepts are important for the Wipro Wilp interview. And the next question is related to the Java collections. Then they will move to DBMS or SQL. The 14th question is related to SQL. What is SQL? What is a database? How to create a table? Data type of fields and DML operations. And 20th question: how to update a specific row? And 21st question: what is the difference between delete versus truncate? And what is a drop? And last question for him: any extracurricular activities? So this is the second interview experience of the Wipro Wilp candidate. Now we'll move to analysis and strategy part, how you can crack the interview. So firstly, the general question in the starting of the interview is introduction. So you have to prepare your introduction up to the mark, so that interviewer can ask the question what you have told about in your introduction. For example, you have told about project, then they will ask the next question from your project. Then they will also ask about the OOPS concepts. Then they will move to DBMS and SQL questions, and you also need to have one programming language basics, because they will ask some questions related to the programming languages also. For example, if you know C and C++, they will ask the questions from C and C++, and if you know Java, they will ask the question from Java, and if you know Python, they will ask from that. So the language you know very well, mention that in your introduction, and they will going to ask the questions from that. So prepare only basic questions, because in a Wipro Wilp interview they will ask only the basic questions like what are the data types, what are the primitive data types, what is call by value and call by reference, and in Python they will ask generally what is list and tuple. In Java they will ask about what are Java collections, and these are the things they will ask about the programming languages. And then they will move to some basic HR questions. these are the most important part of your WILP interview, because generally the most asked questions for the WILP candidates are the HR questions. If you did not prepare HR questions, then your chances for getting selected are very less. So prepare basic HR questions like where do you see yourself in next 5 years, and like what is your least favorite subject, and what is your most favorite subject, and also what are your strengths and weaknesses. And I have already told you I will share an ebook with you. If you want to access the ebook or PDF, simply first of all you have to subscribe my YouTube channel. Then you have to join my Telegram channel. Telegram channel link will be given in the description. Simply click on the link, then you will automatically join to my Telegram channel. Then in the Telegram chat you have to write Wipro WILP, then you will get a message in which the PDF is mentioned. So simply you have to download that PDF, and you are able to access the PDF or ebook for free. And if you go through with the questions that are compiled in that PDF, you will able to clear the interview easily. And that PDF really helps you, because there are multiple candidates, those who go through with the PDFs, they are really gets benefited. If you prepare these things, then surely you will get selected in your interview, because these are the most asked topics or the questions where the interviewer asked. So if you prepare these, then you will surely clear your interview. So if you find this video helpful, and make sure you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And that's for it in this video, and thank you guys.